Hello food lovers and welcome to another custom grill video. This week we'll be making a steak salad my way. But first thing first, set up your grill for indirect grilling and then we can work on our meat. For steak I'm using this beautiful Australian Angus 3-tip steak. Definitely one of my favorite cuts of beef. All you have to do is trim some extra fat on the bottom side and slice into a fat cap on the top side. And don't forget to add salt to help render that fat cap. Place the steak over indirect heat, close the lid and start working on our salad dressing. Mix mayonnaise, lemon juice, salt, fermented habanero chili sauce and mix well. Pour the dressing over lamb's lettuce and set aside. When the steak reaches 45 degrees Celsius, remove heat deflector and place 3-tip over direct heat. Sear the steak for 2 minutes aside and then we're done. After 10 minutes of resting, you can slice it. Spread some lettuce on the board. Add slices of 3-tip steak. Add salt and fried onions for that extra flavor. So this is it guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Cheers!